Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how to freeze a frame in CapCut. Also, before we start, if you want to support the channel and create a new CapCut account in the same time, you can use my CapCut sign up link from the description. Alright, let's get started. So I have a video here and I will just drag it to my timeline. Now let's find a frame that we want to freeze. Alright, let's take this one. I will just make a quick cut on the video by pressing Ctrl B. And then if you take a look at this toolbar here, you can see this effect that says freeze. So I will just click on freeze, and that will freeze my frame for about 3 to 4 seconds. So if I play the video now, as you can see, the frame was frozen for a few seconds. But if you're annoyed that there is no audio there, you can just place it above the timeline and play the video again. So now there is some background audio to the frozen frame. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. It really helps the channel. Also, if you want to further support the channel, you can check out my Buy Me a Coffee link in the description. Thank you for watching.